Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit an audio on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to record an audio randomly here, so press record and I'm just going to say something. Hey guys, I'm just testing this out, and then I'm going to close that, and to make the audio louder, you're just going to select this, or you can adjust the volume here as well. You can fade in and fade out an audio here as well. Let's just kind of move it to the left. There you go. Or you can fade it out by selecting this circle, if you can select it, and just moving it to the left. Same goes for the fade in one, move it either to the left or the right. Here you can add in noise reduction. You can also add in voice effects if you want to. There are a lot of options. There's this chipmunk one, which let me just, turn this down a little bit.
Hey guys, I'm just testing.
And you can adjust the pitch here, and this bit right here you can also enable channels, and this is to balance out the audio, so there's fill right with left and fill left with right. And that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!